On behalf of AFC Holcroft, I would like to thank you for attending FNA 2020 virtually. My name is Jenna Alder, and I'm an aftermarket sales representative at AFC Holcroft. As a customer support person, my goal is to make a heat treater's day easier, which is why my technical session is about how modern integrated software can help you better maintain your heat treat equipment. I will talk about the benefits of computerized maintenance management software and how it can increase equipment uptime, track maintenance activity, and in some cases, even lead to employee retention. The best way to deal with a problem is to prevent it altogether. Regular furnace maintenance and service is an important and necessary activity. It has a vital role to play in providing safer and healthier working conditions, as well as continuous quality production. Terry Weyerman, author of World-Class Maintenance Management, stated, "Industry studies have documented that maintenance can impact production costs by as much as 30%. Underestimating the importance of equipment maintenance and how well you track your maintenance activities is taking a toll on your bottom line." The fourth industrial revolution, known as Industry 4.0, is the ongoing automation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices through the use of modern or quote-unquote smart technology. With the average life of heat treating equipment lasting decades, there are always ways to modernize. This should be a top priority for heat treat facility managers, as it can increase equipment reliability and mitigate safety concerns. One example is utilizing computerized maintenance management system software, which I will refer to as the maintenance module. Organization is the key to successful maintenance management, and the maintenance module system helps you stay organized by keeping track of your assets. Gone are the days of using spreadsheets, post-it notes, and your own memory to keep track of your maintenance program. The maintenance module manages maintenance activities for your heat treat equipment through use of integrated software. The maintenance module stores a wealth of information about each asset and enables you to maintain equipment's peak efficiency, which reduces the chances of significant material losses. In heat treat plants, this software cuts down production failures by keeping your equipment healthy through a variety of strategies. The maintenance module combines several maintenance processes in one system, improving productivity and equipment performance by removing manual elements from the maintenance workflow. One of the best features within the maintenance module is work order tracking. By issuing and tracking internal work orders within the maintenance module, you can monitor your employees' and equipment's progress every step of the way. This helps maintenance managers ensure that tasks are performed. And if something goes wrong, staff members can go back and determine who was responsible and what steps were taken. The software comes preloaded with key time-based and conditional maintenance activities, including preventive maintenance tasks, inspections, and other measures to maintain equipment quality. Examples include inspect burner tube number 3, or grease roller bearings, or schedule annual furnace inspection. Users can even add images and comments to each task. Additionally, custom maintenance responsibilities can be added by qualified personnel through the database or HMI touchscreen. When a task is due, make it easy to keep track of maintenance operations by reporting statistics and sharing them via maintenance module reporting. Important statistics that management will want to keep track of include machine downtime, pending work orders, planned or preventive maintenance, and more. Such reports will help the management team understand the state of your maintenance program and identify areas for improvement. The maintenance module consists of the following screens. For this presentation, we will look further into the status, maintenance acknowledge, and completed maintenance screens. The status screen is the first screen visible to a user. Task statuses are identified by colors. Green indicates the task is not yet near its due date or condition. Yellow indicates the task is nearing its due date or condition. And red indicates the task is past its due date or condition. Some tasks are time-based, while others may be conditional, for example, cycle or temperature dependent. Users with the operator role may select a task in the status list and then click the Complete button to record that they have completed a particular task using the Maintenance Acknowledge screen. Once a task is completed, it will reset and start accumulating against the conditions predefined for that task. Operators can record that they have completed a particular task using the Maintenance Acknowledge screen. In the graphic seen here, the operator has selected the task UPS power supply battery replace on the status screen and clicked the Complete button. Clicking the Complete button brings up the Maintenance Acknowledge screen as shown. Also, on the upper portion of this screen, the operator can read details about this task. The operator may enter comments in the field provided. If an image has been saved for this task, it can be viewed by clicking the View Image button. Completed tasks can be viewed from the Completed Maintenance screen. This will show tasks completed during a time frame selected by the logged in user. The default time frame is 7 days. Clicking the Show Report button on the maintenance task list displays the maintenance task list report for the option selected. The report can be searched using the search field labeled Type Text to Find, located in the lower left corner of the report. The report can be printed or saved. There are countless benefits to having the maintenance module. You can control costs, increase equipment uptime, and ultimately, you can go from proactive maintenance to condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. And again, the maintenance module remains front and center. You can see how this software goes beyond the typical maintenance management. The maintenance module can assist in training maintenance employees, which can support employee retention efforts. With more than 75 million baby boomers retiring soon, it's clear that employers, especially those in manufacturing, will need a strong workforce plan for replacing exiting workers. With properly trained maintenance and production teams, both equipment and employee performance will improve. And this concludes my technical session about the use of maintenance module integrated software to manage equipment maintenance. Thank you for viewing this presentation. I'm available for questions and chatting in AFC Holcroft's virtual booth during the FNA show hours. You can also reach me anytime on my cell phone at 248-807-3361 or by email. I am also an active user on LinkedIn. Let's connect.